What's up, everybody? We're back at it. Third video. Fireworks are going off everywhere, everybody. Hope you guys do enjoy this video. It's been a while since I've done one. But 4th of July, why not, guys? Life is piping up. Guys.
Oh, what's up, Chris, my dude?
Let's go, guys.
We were just doing sparklers. Yeah, we were lighting stuff.
Woo!
Oh, wait up, look.
So yeah, guys.
That looks like
Guys, let's go back here. Yeah! Let's go! Smoke! So yeah, guys, it's been a while, but bringing it back with some more YouTube videos, fireworks. Yeah, guys, we got really close to the fireworks for the YouTube video. Oh yeah.
You have sparklers too?
Me? Holy crap!
Oh, explode!
Woo! We were gonna get exploded. We were gonna die, guys. We were gonna die. Why? Yeah, guys, basically all the way around my block. Everybody's lighting off fireworks, man. It's amazing. See, guys, best time ever. Cause, oh God, yeah, guys, copyrighted music. So yeah, life just goes down. You live down here in Franklin Place, even in Oakley. There are fireworks everywhere. I think they're lighting another one down here. It's enjoyable though, honestly. I'm enjoying. I think it's really cool that everybody's lighting off fireworks because I enjoy fireworks. More going off here. Oh, right back there, guys. Yeah, if you guys can already hear them. Just move back a bit more. More fireworks are getting lit. It's pretty cool. Look at the video. God dang, chill. Hey man, I'm making a vid. So yeah, guys, I love Franklin Place because all the fireworks that go off. 4th of July. It's beautiful out. They're lighting off a huge one right now. I know you guys can barely hear also the copyrighted music. I hope you guys will not catch that, but they're about to light off a humongous one right there. It's gonna go shooting. We feel like it's gonna be a big one. People are lighting them off everywhere. It's awesome. I mean, I declared rage war. So yeah, that's why I was just yelling everywhere earlier, guys. Amazing, guys. But keep on running down because my best friend is playing some copyrighted music for me to hear. Oh God! Holy crap, guys! These people are lighting off the things. I'm just not catching them. But yeah, guys, it's awesome today. I have to stay away from my best friend Chris. He's playing some copyrighted music. But if you guys can hear all the fireworks going off, so life is amazing. Peace.